Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the updated process of opening the password manager on Google Chrome for PC. If you've ever struggled to manage your passwords, this feature can be a game changer. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon from your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is up and running, you're ready for the next step. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This icon is often referred to as the More menu. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing various options. From this menu, navigate to Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize many aspects of your Chrome experience. Now, in the Settings menu, look for Autofill on the left sidebar. Click on it and then select Passwords. This section is where all your saved passwords are stored and managed. Finally, click on Google Password Manager. This will open up a comprehensive view of all your saved passwords. Here, you can see a list of websites along with their corresponding usernames and passwords. If you need to view a specific password, just click on the eye icon next to it. You may be prompted to enter your computer password for security purposes, and that's it. You've successfully accessed the Password Manager in Google Chrome. With this tool, managing your passwords becomes much easier and more secure. Remember to regularly check and update your saved passwords to enhance your online security. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively.